In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove pending work from Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a powerful tool for managing your schedule, but sometimes tasks can stack up or become outdated. Fortunately, removing these pending tasks is straightforward. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. You can do this by typing Google Calendar into your search bar and clicking on the first link, or you might have it bookmarked already, which can save you a few seconds. If this is your first visit to Google Calendar today, you may need to log into your Google account. When the login page appears, enter your email address. This is the same email linked to your Google Calendar, so make sure to use the correct one to gain access to your schedule. Once you've entered your email, click on the Next button. It's pretty straightforward, but if you've forgotten your email, Google does offer recovery options. After clicking Next, you'll need to enter your password. Again, click Next after entering your password to proceed. If you happen to forget your password, there are recovery steps that can help you retrieve it, ensuring that you can always access your calendar when needed. Now that you're logged into your Google Calendar, take a look at the upcoming tasks. You should see a menu on the left-hand side where you'll find a section for pending tasks or tasks. Click on this section. It will display a list of all the tasks you've marked as pending or incomplete. Once you've located and clicked on the list of pending tasks, find the specific task you want to remove. Click on the task you wish to edit. A small window or sidebar will pop up on your screen containing the task details. Within this window, you will see an option to edit the task. Click on the Edit option. This will allow you to make necessary changes or delete the entry altogether. After clicking Edit, feel free to update any information that might have changed or simply decide to remove it if it's no longer relevant. Lastly, once you've made the desired changes or have confirmed that the task needs to be deleted, click on the Save button. This action will apply your changes to Google Calendar, either updating the task or removing it from your list altogether. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar should now be up to date, free from the clutter of any outdated pending tasks, keeping your schedule neat and organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember to keep checking in on your tasks to maintain an organized calendar. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.